guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. I'm just looking for a little bit of advice on this outboard engine that I've got here. It's an old 40 horsepower Johnson. I think it's late 60s, early 70s model, possibly. Just come around here so you can see it a bit better. It's in quite a tired state, as you can see. So I'm hoping to restore it, bring it back to life. Needs quite a bit doing to it, but the problem that I'm having with it, which is quite peculiar, is it will only crank over. Let me show you this best I can. Show you on the flywheel here. The flywheel gets to a point, it gets very, very stiff, and it won't move. I'll show you again. So let's do the spark plugs up a minute. Make it airtight. Right, now what happens is this turns freely to there, then it gets to that point there, and then it's really hard. You can hear it just won't go. And you've got to really force it, but you can hear the air hissing out of the cylinders. But you take the spark plugs out. Bear with me 2 secs. Sorry for the video quality, I'm doing it on my phone, it was a bit wobbly. Right, take the spark plugs out. And it turns like an absolute dream. You can hear all the cylinders pumping away. It's a pull start. I've took the pull start assembly off, that's down there. I can't see the model number, it seems to be scratched off, so I don't know what adaptions it's had, whether it was an electric start and then they've changed the flywheel, but that's the cylinders. So yeah, when you put the spark plugs in and do them up, it just will not crank. It's very, very strange, and I don't know where to start with this problem. I've tried filling the cylinders up with oil in case it was something like hydro lock, and the oil just trickled straight down on the floor here, straight out the bottom. As you can see, the bottom leg isn't attached to it, but I do have that. That's over here, perfectly fine condition. So I paid £60 for this engine, sold as seen. So I'm hoping I can at least get it cranking. I mean, for the bottom leg on its own I could get 70 quid, 60, 70 quid for, so I'll make my money. But yeah, that's the problem I'm having. That's the front there. You see the reeds there, they look nice and clean. There's a carb, not too bad. All needs a good clean up obviously, and a degreasing. It has been painted here, like you can see. I've tried scratching that off, so I don't really know the history of the engine. You see the fuel pump there, looks quite a new fuel pump. There's the gears, changes gear and everything, fine. Neutral, reverse, forward, neutral, and it engages and everything up in here. So all the bits are there. Just need to get around this problem. I don't know why. As soon as I put the spark plugs back in, it locks up. It's very strange. It's almost like there's an air blockage somewhere, but I don't know where to look. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Any advice on that would be great. Thank you, and I'll see you again.